Hello students, today we will create the CSS. See, this is the symbol of CSS. You have to just click on the symbol whenever you want to create the CSS. First you have to click on CSS. Then here you have to write down the page title. I write down here the page title will be Shreya underscore home. Then click on OK. It will ask me the path where I want to save. I just click on the standard 12 practical folder Shreya form.html, which is the extension. Then click on save. After the saving, it will open the CSS style sheet. Here I click on custom style rule. I want to apply the CSS on the heading tag 1, so I specify here h1. Create style rule. Now I click on the text tab. Here I click on custom font family. That means I use here. You can see the more options. I want to choose script empty bold, so I press S. Then I click on script empty bold. Then you choose the font size. You can see the different types of option here. You have to just click on, I just specify here extra large, line height, always line height will normal. You can set the color of your text. I choose the color from here, blue. Then font weight, bolder. Font style, oblique. Case, upper. Alignment, center. Underline. Text decoration. See, whatever you choose from this font family option, it will show you in this area. You can able to see here. Okay, then next is background. In the background you can choose the color or image. Right now I choose the color. I choose the light colors so it will visible to text. Then borders, I use here 4 borders equal. I use here groove, width which is thick. You can specify the color, dark blue. Okay, then click on OK. After that it will not visible. Whenever you click on body text, in place of body text, here you have to select heading tag 1. Then it will visible your CSS. I applied the CSS on my name. If you want to apply the CSS on Gujarat tourism, then you can able to see here Gujarat tourism. After that you have to just click on browse. It will ask you to save changes. Click on save. Then launch application. Then you can see it in the browser how it can look. Gujarat tourism. If you want to give a background image, how you can give. Here I already done the CSS. I just click on H1. How can I change my background, or how can I change my text properties? If you want to change, I choose here red color in place of blue color. Then I click on backgrounds. In place of color, I choose the image, choose files. I have the 4 image. I just click on one image. From here, click on open. Alignment center. Here's alignment center. Click on OK. Gujarat tourism. You can able to see the changes. Then click on save. Then click on browse. See both the views you can able to see in a browser. So this is the practical of CSS.